What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be on the company van. We're actually going to change all 4 rotors and 4 pads. Not sure what happened from one day to another. The pads and rotors sound horrible, screeching cats all over the place. And I actually came here back to Cisco. He did our install last week on the airbags on the Camry, and he's going to do the rotors and pads. It's funny because I could do them, but I'm just so busy that I have other people work on my own cars. Makes total sense, right? But yeah, let me go ahead and I'll start showing you around, and we'll show you guys how to install these rotors and pads on a 2015 to 2019 Transit. I believe it's more, but just to be safe around that area. All right, stay tuned. All right, so we were able to pick up the wheels, and then now let's test fit them. I really like the stocks. I was gonna paint them black, but as you can see from this angle, you won't be able to see the details of the actual rim. Now up close, the rims look nice. That's why I got lighter wheels now, and we'll test fit them to make sure they clear the fender properly without doing any modifications. If they do, we'll put them on for now and see how we like them. I'm really excited for this. All right, so we have the wheels. Let's mount them. Bro, the wheel's right on the fender. I already tested out the other side, so everything should go. Ooh-wee. It sits perfect. Freaking perfect. Look at that. Flush with the fender. The front's awesome. Alright guys, before anything, these are now the permanent wheels that we're gonna have on this car. This is just temporary, just to get away from stocks. I didn't really want to powder coat them and just leave stocks on, you know. So I got these wheels. I really like them. They fit nice with the car. A little contrast, which is good. So without further ado, here are the new rims for the Camry. Alright, so basically I'm still running the tires. I'm running on the stocks, but these are plus 35 offset by 8.5 on 19s. The tires are 245 40 19. I got a really good deal on these wheels and tires. They're Michelin Pilot Sports, which I could say it's one of my favorite tires. It sits perfect. It's crazy how it's just right there, a little more and it'll be out of the fender. Does not rub whatsoever while I'm driving on the right height that I had before. The rears, I love it because it pokes out. It has a little baby camera on it. Look at that. It's just perfect. I love it. The wheels did have some, one or two wheels actually did have some peeling, which is why I got them pretty cheap. I can't see them now. A little minor scuff here. Let me see. Yeah, I see some little peeling there. Nothing crazy, but that's why I got them so cheap. Oh, there you go. Right here a little bit. No scuff here. That's why I got it so cheap though, since the tires were used. I mean, the wheels were used, but I just love how it looks. Low contrast from the black and white, which the new wheels that I really want on the car are gonna have a very crazy contrast, but for now this will do. And yeah, I love it. So before the end of the year, I want to get the exhaust on, Magnaflow exhaust, starlights, underglow, and I want to have my guys at Lavish Customs wrap this part right here so I can match that front end. Eventually I want to change to the XSE headlights. I have them retrofitted by Wild Customs, but we'll see when that comes. It's very expensive. I am happy. I am very, very happy. Once again, guys, I didn't show you this video how to change when I was putting the tires and stuff, because you know how to change a tire, you know. It was very limited time also, so I wasn't able to, you know, actually just indulge in and record everything while I'm doing it. But I was able to show you guys the new setup. We have a lot more plans for the car. We still need to install the, I haven't said that part yet, so I'm not gonna say it yet. We still need to install a lot of parts on the car, and we have a lot coming for the Camry. Once again, guys, thank you for all the support. On to the next one.